about your friends? Will they stand their ground? Will they let you down? Hey, oh.
What about your friends?
What about your friends?
Will they be around? Is these the words?
Oh, okay. That's cut.
Look out for a disagreement. Like,
right.
Don't let time lapse between us communicating, especially if we
supposed to be really close.
Yeah, like, even though I'm mad, like, we should still come back and be like, okay, well, I know we ain't talk,
And let's talk about that, because it seems like when you express any kind of anger or disagreement with a friend, it's for some reason it's in people's minds that, okay, that's the end of the friendship.
Right.
Instead of, okay, like, how do we work it out? And I don't mean like y'all always. Welcome to our channel.
Please subscribe. We crazy.
You better watch it. Damn.